Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Need to adjust your Google Docs page margins? Don't worry, it's way simpler than it looks. I have this Google Doc open here, and if you scroll through it, you'll notice it's spilling over 2 pages. But I want it all on 1 page. The easiest way to fix this? Adjust the margins. Here's how we do it. First, go up to the File menu at the top left and click it. Then look for Page Setup and select it. A small window will pop up. In this window, you'll see the Margins section with fields for top, bottom, left, and right margins. Now just enter the values you want. For example, I like to set all margins to 0.5 inches, but you can choose 1 inch or whatever works for your document. If you want these margins to apply to all future documents, just click Set as Default. Then hit OK, and that's it. Your Google Docs page margins are updated. See? Super simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tech tips. I'll catch you in the next one.